Hello, everybody. How are you? Hope you fun and strong. Today, Helokidz will guide you drawing a dragonfly step by step. You know, I'd be happy to help guide a beginner kid in drawing a dragonfly with glass and water. Here are some clear step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Start by drawing the basic outline of the dragonfly's body. Draw a long, slender oval shape for the body, and attach a smaller, rounded oval shape at one end for the head. Add a thin, elongated shape for the tail. Step 2. Draw the wings of the dragonfly. Draw two large, pointed wings on either side of the body, extending outward. Make the wings slightly curved and add some veins to them for detail. Step 3. Add some details to the dragonfly's body. Draw two large eyes on the head, and add a mouth and some antennae. Draw some legs at the bottom of the body, using thin, straight lines. Step 4. Now it's time to draw the glass and water. Draw a large, curved glass around the dragonfly, making sure to leave some space between the body and the glass. Draw some water inside the glass, using wavy lines to show the movement of the water. Step 5. Add shading and color to the drawing. Use a pencil or colored pencils to shade in the dragonfly's body, wings, and glass. Use blue and green shades for the water, and add some highlights to the glass to make it look shiny. Step 6. Finally, add some finishing touches to the drawing. Add some small details to the dragonfly's body and wings, and clean up any lines that need touching up. And that's it. You've successfully drawn a dragonfly with glass and water. Remember to be patient and take your time as you draw, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're all part of the learning process. Happy drawing! you.